Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Single Solution to All Problem. This is Nisha and today's topic is how you can lose your money in QMath or how you can get the refund from the QMath. QMath is an online learning platform. I have explained in a lot of videos how you can start working with the QMath, and there is a policy of QMath that you need to pay some money before to start your career with the QMath. Before to start your training, you need to pay that money, and when you register for the QMath, after that you get the payment link and you just pay the money. They mention their refund policy also, so just go and read that policy. In that policy they have explained in total very detail that it is our refund policy, and after this you will not get any refund. So what is that refund policy? I am going to explain that refund policy today. So when you register yourself with the QMath and you make the payment, here is your time start. From that day your time has start, and up to 20 days you have the option to get refunded your money, but after 20 days you cannot get the refund. But within these 20 days there are also some terms and conditions. Which are those terms and conditions? The first term and condition is first you need to clear your K25. If you are not able to clear your K25, because you can complete your K25 within a week, maximum within a week you can complete it. If you are not able to clear it, you are eligible to apply for the refund. You will get your money, totally money refunded. Your total whole money will be refunded. You will get back your money, complete money you can get back. But suppose you have cleared your K25. If you have cleared your K25, then they will dispatch you a Wacom tablet, and if the Wacom tablet have dispatched, then the option of refund is totally cancelled. You cannot apply for the refund. In case you will get rejected in further screening or further testing, they are evaluating you. If you get rejected on those testings or evaluations, you cannot apply for the refund, because this is the only time you because if they have dispatched the tablet, you are not eligible to get the refund. So only situation you can get refund from the QMath is if you failed in K25, you can apply for the refund. But if you don't get failed in K25 and you just clear the K25 and after that CTP primer, so it's good for you to do some hard work and try to make yourself eligible for the certifications, because after that if you failed in any further screening, you cannot apply for the refund and you will lose your whole money. So this is their refund policy. Only within 20 days, means the 20-day bracket is for those persons, if for those persons who start their training little late, they register themselves and they leave it and make themselves busy in some other things, and then they remember that I have registered with QMath, I have to start my training. So that 20-day bracket is for those persons, but actually you cannot get refund if you clear the K25 and your Wacom tablet is dispatched. Either it is you have not crossed the 20-day limits, but if your Wacom tablet is dispatched to you, you are not eligible for the refund. So this is the refund policy of QMath. I hope you all like this, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.